big sign that says, "You pick tulips. Follow signs, not GPS." What is going on, guys? Welcome to FTV Family Time Vlogs. Today we are going to one of the largest U-pick tulip farms in the country. They have over 6 million types of tulips. We're gonna check it out. It's online, built to be a content creator's paradise. Very nice background. Very nice day. It's a little bit of an overcast, but a little sun, so I put the sunglasses on. The only ones I could find. So once you get off the exit, it's backed up all the way till you get to the farm. It says 35 miles per hour, but we're going 0. Tickets are sold out today. Sold out. They really make sure you know they're sold out before you even attempt to get into the parking lot. General parking's coming right up. They had local police officers escorting, and then they have their own workers. A lot of people coming in. I like to get there under the bucket. Food trucks are in the middle. We are there. Look at how pretty these are. You guys in there. They're very impressive. Tulips. You already picking one? Tulips were once, in fact, more sought after than any other flowers. In the 1600s, they would cost as much as houses, some of them. The kings and queens worshipped them.
I wish you researched tulips.
Sit on the bike. Sit on the bike, Ray. We're just riding along with the tulips. With a tulip in his hand. Smile. A lot of people. Very people-y. Well, the tulips are full blown right now. Full bloom. And it is just late April. Look at another. We're just walking in tulips. Tulip world. These are beautiful. I like the colors of these. Like, look at the line to take a picture with the stagecoach. The stagecoach is probably the nicest prop I've seen so far. Well, we only saw the bike and a couple stands there. That's cool. White ones. Very nice. Braden. These are a little trampled. Thing is, when you come in these aisles, you do tend to get stuck because people just stop going. So then you have to kind of walk over and trample. I'm stuck. I'm gonna go this way. I got out. These are pink. Pink symbolizes happiness and confidence. White actually symbolizes purity and forgiveness, not friendship.
Yellow is friendship, I think.
Oh, yellow is friendship.
How do I know more?
I don't know. I studied this, she did not, and so here's the white again, so you can see purity. Palms. serenity, forgiveness, peace. It's packed.
It's a windy day, can't be helped.
I'm gonna pick my first tulip. I'm going with purple. Royalty. I'm gonna find a good one. Mom takes pictures. Don't forget to put it on the gram, Mom. Which one should I pick? Should I pick one for... Oh, look at this red one. In a swarm of purple, there's one romantic red one. I'm like still looking for one to pick. I can't. I'm so indecisive. This one. Right there. Do I like that one? Or that one? I like this one, I think. I'm going. Empty patch. We should plant something. I don't know what happened here. This place is big. We still didn't even get to the food trucks. They are right over there, I see them. That means pure love, Braden. A little red. Or no, a lot of red and a little white up top. These are all different colors. I like them. They're a little, I think they're like kind of past their prime. Look at that one's open. Do have hay rides too.
I want to go in there. Is it muddy? Looks muddy.
You not picking?
I'm scared. Pick it.
You got the...
That's like the root. No.
Yeah.
Open more when you picked it. It was closed.
I'm gonna walk down this row. I don't see anybody there. I'll try to get some nice footage. Red and pink.
Right? They're mad at you.
Nice.
The next one.
The bug on that one. I really like these. I'm gonna pick one. Which one? You guys like this one? I got the root too. Alright, let me find Mom and Bray. These tulips. You come in, you're like, nah, we don't need a bucket. And now all of a sudden, we need a bucket. They should have buckets like here. Like, oh, forgot your bucket? Don't worry. Whoa, Braden, don't drop the tulips. Oh. We should get one of these and then watch it grow at home. This one right here. There it is. What should we name this one? What do you want to name it, Bray? We'll watch him grow and die at home.
Anam.
Anam?
Anam.
Anam.
A-N-A-M. Anam.
What's that mean?
It means what?
A name.
It's a name. But I removed,
A nam.
but I removed the E.
A nam.
A nam.
A nam.
A-N-A-M.
I'm gonna name it Squirt.
No! It's a
Sunny.
nam.
Sunny.
Bella.
It's a nam.
Mom, Sunny.
It's a nam. You told me to name it.
Anam or Sunny? Who wins? Mom or Brayden? It could be Sunny Anam. That's his name. First and last name.
First name is a nam.
Oh, you look so nice with the flowers. You look very festive. These are nice. What?
What, see?
I don't want one. I just think they're nice.
My tulip sucks.
What?
Why are you messing up?
I didn't even do that though.
These are orange. Friendship and appreciation. Nice. Let's see inside of them. Oh, look, they're not full bloom. Let's see inside one. Is there one open? Oh, this one's like open. Or opening. So I'm looking online what the colors mean, and orange is appreciation. Okay. Red is romantic. White is purity. Every different website is a different meaning, but kind of the same variant. Okay guys, now we're getting to my favorite part, the food trucks. Like, I'm seeing them, I'm hungry, and I want some food truck food. Food trucks, baddies, taco, ice cream, ohana. A lot of people want tacos. Thai food. Mongolia. Philippine. This is a Philippine. Pierogies, pizza. We're gonna walk down all the food trucks and kind of see which one we want. Yeah, it's hot. Seafood. It's got a lobster fridge. What else we got?
Mac and cheese.
New York City mac and cheese. Metro. Four Sisters balls. They're all meatballs. Food truck right here has the longest line, Cousin's Maine Lobster. It extends all the way down there. Cupcakes. Mexi Boys. Tacos again. Mexican. Bacon on a stick. That is me. Oh yeah, we're getting some bacon on sticks. Yes, Roy's Deli. Lemonade. Alright, we got the Baked Bear, which is ice cream sandwiches. That looks good. We got Twisted Steaks. That's like cheesesteaks. Cheesesteaks on a pretzel bun.
I'm gonna go look for a table.
Sounds good. Beach Shack. Bearded One Barbecue. Ribs, chicken, pork, and briskets. The Man's Grub. Chocolate covered strawberries. Iced coffee? You need that. All these food trucks and stalls have so many people waiting. It's crazy. Buzettas. Buzettas. Oh, it's good chicken. The last one is... I don't know. What is that? Oh, empanadas. Very breezy, but look at this bacon. Yes. Oh, that looks good. Give you a pretty good piece of bacon here. They had plain, honey hot, garlic parm, bourbon cinnamon with a vanilla drizzle. That's what I got. Mom got the honey hot and Bray got the garlic parm. And then they had a mega stick. I was so tempted to get it, but Mom's like, you don't need that. Alright, here we go. I'm gonna try this bourbon with vanilla drizzle. I don't see any vanilla. It's kind of tastes honey hotty or bourbon with a vanilla. Either way, it's fantastic. Look at this. This is honey hot. Very good. Now this is new. Horse. Carriage.
Yes, step aside! Step aside! Thank you. Thank you.
This is awesome.
Step aside!
Eating bacon and horses. I finished the bourbon bacon with a vanilla drizzle, and on a scale of 1 to 10, that was ooh-wee! That was a 10. But I'm a little biased. You could put anything bacon in front of me and I will give it a 10. Right, what do you give it?
It's good. 9.
What do you give the bacon?
9.
You're wondering why she's wearing Braden's hat. She was worried about getting sunburn. It looks cute on her though, doesn't it? Thumbs up for Braden's hat on Mom. And thumbs up for his haircut. Look at that. Mom took Braden to get his haircut, and I'm like, take a picture of him getting his haircut. Mom's like, oh, they're done already. I'm like, they're so fast there. We get at Sports Clips. I'll plug that. Love that place. I'm like, all right, well, let me see it. She shows me a picture of it, and I'm like, now that's a beeping haircut. We could go for some lemonade right now. We're getting lemonade. Once you pass the food trucks, that's like the halfway point of this farm, and then you get more tulips. Also, there's a petting zoo up this way, and ponds. This lemonade is fantastic, in case you're wondering. It's not too sugary. It's freshly squeezed, you can taste it. It's good. 8. 8.5.
Baby goat. What are they gonna do with the baby goat?
What is this? What is this?
Happy birthday!
Mom and Brayden are looking for closed tulips. They want closed ones so they can watch them bloom at home. We're getting tired. Iced coffee from the Dutch place. It's actually a Dutch place. Fantastic though. It is starting to clear out now. It's about 3:30. So I didn't know this. Everybody that bought tickets for next week, they're refunding everybody because the tulips aren't gonna last. This was like pretty much the last weekend. So that is it. We are done. We're gonna find a nice restaurant to eat at before we take the journey back home. It's about an hour and a half away from our house. I didn't mention it's $15 per person, and that's not a bad deal. That doesn't include the food trucks in it, obviously, but it's not a bad deal at all. You do a lot of walking. We actually just hit over 10,000 steps while we were here, and we're practicing for Disney. We're getting ready. Mom was saying the best thing that you could do is actually jump on a shuttle right here in the beginning where you start, and then it'll take you all the way to the back where the petting zoo and everything is, and then you could walk back, and by the time you get back you could pay and exit here. These are all pay and exit shops. Alright guys, that is it. I'm gonna end the vlog here. If you're a member, I will be posting another vlog for dinner that we go to and the restaurant and how it is. So if you're not a member and want to watch it, just hit that join. Boom. Alright, we're gone. Peace. I seriously think the alarm on cars were invented just so you could find your car. Because like we didn't know where it was, so we held it. There we are. The whole way here you keep hearing random alarms going off. I think it's just people looking for their car. We found a place that's not far at all. It's called Happy Apple Inn. It's got good reviews online. There's technically only 2 restaurants that look really good. It was Happy Apple Inn and
The Roost.
yeah, the Roost. And ultimately Mom said Happy Apple Inn looks like it had better reviews, so we're gonna check it out. Let's go. Oh, I hope you enjoyed the tulips. Mom did, right? Right, you enjoyed?
Yeah.
It's good. All right, now we're gone. Peace.